In the previous videos, we covered planning, analysis, and finance and sales preparation. Now we move into operational readiness, the areas that directly impact production continuity and supply chain stability. Let's begin with manufacturing. In SAP S4HANA, production versions become mandatory. Bills of material and routings must be validated and aligned. SAP-provided reports should be used to generate missing production versions. If this step is skipped, production orders can fail immediately after go-live. MRP also changes significantly. MRP Live replaces traditional planning logic and runs directly on HANA. Storage location MRP is no longer supported. Planning must shift to plant level or MRP area level. Material master data must be reviewed carefully to ensure planning consistency. Planning file tables are removed and MRP now reads directly from master and transactional data. Performance improves, but only if preparation is complete. In quality management, several classic transactions are replaced by Fury apps. Security roles and user training must be updated early to avoid disruption. Now let's move to purchasing and warehouse. Vendor evaluation should transition from list-based aggregation to real-time purchasing category evaluation. Purchase rebates move to condition contracts. This is a redesign opportunity, not just a technical carry forward. Foreign trade and procure-to-pay transitions to S4 international trade. If SAP GTS is in place, integration must be validated early. Warehouse strategy is a major architectural decision. Classic SAP WM is supported under compatibility scope. Stockroom management extends limited functionality, but advanced capabilities such as task and resource management, wave management, yard management, and cross-docking require embedded or decentralized SAP EWM. Manufacturing readiness protects production. Warehouse decisions protect fulfillment. In the next video, we'll go deeper into project systems, service and plant maintenance, and technical readiness, the backbone of system stability.